welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Amrisha and I vlog my journey through medical school. One of the many things that we do here on this channel is unboxing videos. I am finally doing my scrubs unboxing. I feel like I was meant to do this ever since I started my channel 3 years ago, but better late than never. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Lagoon scrub set from the brand Step Scrubs. This is part of their Earth collection. I'll be giving you all the details on the price, the fit, the material, and my honest thoughts. If you are a doctor, a medical student, or just anyone in the medical profession and you're looking for stylish scrubs to wear to work, don't worry, I got you. Let's unbox this together. Before we start, let's just get into some logistics. I have already ordered from Step Scrubs before. I got the pink set, and that was my second ever scrub set that I've ever purchased. I must say I was very impressed with the quality and especially the color. I love the pink. So my pink set is from their core collection. Recently they've come up with a new range called Earth X. So let's talk pricing because I know that's always a big question. The price of the scrub set was 573 Rand. Shipping was 140 and taxes came to 93 Rand. So in total, I spent 806 Rand on these scrubs. Honestly, if you're looking for good quality scrubs, it is quite reasonable. There are obviously different brands like Tank that's more on the affordable side, and I do have some of them. So if you want me to do a full scrub review of every scrub brand that I own, do let me know in the comments. Comfort in the hospital is very important, especially if you're going to be spending long hours, 24-hour calls in this clothing. You need to be comfortable, and it doesn't hurt to look good while doing it. Enough chit chat, let's get to actually unboxing this. Honestly, the patience that I have for unboxing videos needs to be studied because this scrub set came about a month ago and it has been lying in my room just because I did not have the time to sit down and record this unboxing video. So we're starting a new block. I just finished my psychiatry block, the first block for final year, and I finally have 3 days of holiday where I can unbox these scrubs. Okay. Alright. Oh my god! I am so excited! Like I said, I got it in the Lagoon shade. It was a new color that they came out with. Oh, size-wise, I got this in a small just because my pink scrubs from Step were also in a size small. So I'm hoping that they're consistent with the sizes. But it's looking so pretty. Oh my god. They did change their packaging though, because before it had its own personalized little sleeve that said Step Scrubs on it. So maybe they just don't do that with the Earth Scrubs. I am so happy with this. Oh, it also smells amazing. So here's the top. It comes with 3 pockets. I honestly love how soft and lightweight this material is. Also, this color is stunning. Not as thick as the core range, but it's definitely breathable. Then we have the jogger pants. It has a zipped pocket on the side and the bottom is cuffed in this material. Compared to other scrub brands, the waistline is this thick elastic band. Maximizes your comfort. Honestly, if you have the ruching, sometimes it can leave marks and it can be uncomfortable if you're using it for 24 hours at a time. But let's be honest, we haven't done 24-hour calls. That is for a different block, thankfully so. It also has some back pockets. Okay, so let's put these on. I am so excited. Okay guys, I do not know what material they use, but this is so breezy and lightweight. I was kind of worried about the sizing, but this is what it's looking like. And honestly, it fits me so well. The sizing is definitely different to their core collection. Okay, and this is the pants. It is so gorgeous. Here is the zipped pockets. You have your side pockets as well as your back pockets. Another little detail is that it has 2 pockets. So it has your normal pocket. It has a small little pouch there, and then another one here which you can put your pens and stuff. And this side is your normal pocket. I've never had a scrub set fit me this well, so kudos to Step Scrubs. this is what the back looks like. I also love this color. I have so many shades of blue. I am very particular about the colors that I choose for my scrubs. Like, I only have one set of black scrubs and I still do not like wearing that color. I am a huge supporter of the color theory. There have actually been research studies done on the color theory, what color scrubs you wear versus your patient's reaction towards you. Just seeing the color red has been shown to increase your blood pressure and heart rate. So imagine you're a doctor and you're wearing bright red scrubs and you're going to prep your patient for theatre. Just based on the color of scrubs you're wearing, subconsciously it's going to increase their blood pressure and their heart rate, which may cause them to become anxious or tense. So I know it's such a tiny detail and some people might not even care about it, compared to if you approach a patient wearing a calming blue color that's going to soothe their nerves and make them less anxious. Which color would you rather wear? Like, without doing anything, without even speaking to the patient, your first impression, literally the color of scrubs that you're wearing. That's just my 2 cents about it. You can go read the article, it's quite an interesting read. I tried to follow the color theory. My first ever scrubs was green from Green Smitty and then pink from Step, just because I like pink. But I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just in love with this color of scrubs. If you're going for an interview or you have some event and you want to subconsciously trick the mind of the person or people that you're interacting with, definitely go read up on the color theory. But enough said about that. These scrubs are a 10 out of 10 for me, and I actually don't want to take it out now. It's a Saturday and I'm so happy wearing scrubs. So a huge shout out to Steps. Y'all have done an amazing job with this. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you found this helpful and you want me to review any other scrub brands, this is from South Africa by the way, just let me know in the comments or DM me on Instagram. I appreciate all your love and support. If there's anything that you want to know about medical school, I am trying to be more consistent on YouTube. Instead of just posting 5 videos a year, we're going to try for 5 videos a month. I love answering you guys' questions. If you're starting medical school or you just want to know more about medicine, how to get into medicine, would love to be of service and help you guys. So on that note, do subscribe to my channel and I will see y'all in the next one. Okay, bye! This is day 2 in my Step scrubs and it's looking very pretty.